I want to take this time to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel, all of you who have decided to subscribe to this channel. I am truly from the bottom of my heart grateful to you guys for deciding to subscribe to this channel. I'm grateful because I know that I'm adding value to your life in one way or the other, and this has always been my goal since I started this channel. I wanted to find a way that I can add value to people, and I figured that cryptocurrency is one of the ways that I can add value to you guys because I have knowledge about it, and I'm like, why not? Let me share my knowledge with people out there who are just getting started with it, who are new, and I wanted to just share with you guys all the things that I've gone through, what I've learned, and just so that you guys can avoid all the mistakes that I made, become better cryptocurrency trader and investors. That is my intention with this channel. Now, I just want to clarify some things. Because I don't know how you guys view me. I don't know if some of you view me as an expert, or I'm not sure. So I just want to clarify something. So I'm going to be honest with you. I've only been trading and investing in cryptocurrency for about a year now. So I would not consider myself an expert yet. I'm still learning a lot. Like, there's so many things to learn in cryptocurrency, so many things, and I'm still learning, right? However, as I'm learning and growing, I'm documenting my experience, sharing my knowledge so that you guys can also learn, right? So I don't want you guys to look at me as an expert. All the videos that I post, I'm posting them for educational purposes, for entertainment, also to just help you guys to learn, and even learn faster than I have, right? So yeah, I wanted to just clarify that. And I believe that I will become an expert though. There's nothing impossible in this world. You can achieve anything that you put your mind to, and that is one of my goals, is to become an expert in this field. And I believe that I will get there. Yes, I will get there. All it takes is consistency and dedication. Like consistency and dedication, you can achieve anything that you put your mind to. You just have to believe in yourself, and actually put in the work. Trust me, anything is possible for you. And yeah, I just wanted to show my gratitude to all of you guys that have subscribed to my channel. I'm truly grateful. I currently have last time I checked, I currently have 367 subscribers. That has been a huge milestone for me. I did not think I would get at that point in a short period of time, but I'm here, so I'm really grateful, and I hope that I can continue to add value to your life in cryptocurrency, personal development, and so much other exciting things that I'll start talking about in this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Thank you.